Hey guys, we're back here at the shop with the Spyder, and this particular Spyder we don't see quite often nowadays. You know, we see a lot of new ones, but this is one of my favorites. It's got quite a face on it if you look. It's got real character, and this particular customer really loves her bike. She dropped it off to us and wanted us to light it up, and it's been pretty awesome. So we spent some time on this one this week, and we just did some underglow stuff. So we just kind of had fun, but wanted to share it with you guys. And I think it's pretty neat how this one came out. So check it out. It's got a really nice face to it. So we did some headlight eyes. All of this is all incorporated actually into the actual housing. So there are actually no strips around. The headlight is all incorporated into the housing, which is really nice. And we did our wheel rings, which is really nice. This has got a mirror effect, and you can see how it glows completely inside and outside. And I'm gonna let it run here in a little bit, and you can see the mirroring effect that it has all around. It's got quite the character if you look at its face. So this particular kit is the Chaser. So you could see the actual wheel rings in itself. It's actually doing a really nice chase all around. It's got the USA colors, the red, white, and blue. I just really like how the entire wheel just really comes to life. I think this one came out really sharp. I love the lights behind the grill. And none of these lights you actually can see when the lights are on. So it looks really, really nice. So anyway, just wanted to share this real quick with you guys, and I hope you guys like it. Thanks guys. Catch you later. All right guys, so here's a quick walk around of the same bike. I was mentioning to you earlier how clean this bike looked, as far as no LEDs that you can actually see when the lights are on. So here's the actual headlight itself, and the fog lights, and everything else, you know, underneath. So everything looks really clean. So there's nothing that's exposed that you can see in plain sight. Even our wheel rings, you know, they're all done in black. Our LEDs are encased in a special smoked black tube, so you can barely even tell that there's anything on them. And that's what really makes our product really unique, because they're aesthetically pleasing, you know, when everything is off, you know, on the bike itself. So nothing really sticks out like a sore thumb. So everything looks factory on your particular bike. So, you know, on this bike, You barely even tell that there's anything on. And I'm going to turn the lights on here, or the key on. So she does have a few lights on the bike. A-arm lights, front spoiler lights. These are great because it actually sits on the actual spoiler itself and not on the very bottom, so they're not susceptible to going out because you don't hit anything as far as like parking curbs or anything like that. Got our USA flag. Just a clean overall bike. Really, really nice looking. All right, guys, we'll catch you later.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content and innovative products.